So, if you just signed up for Viewmax AI and you're staring at the dashboard thinking, okay, what am I actually supposed to click? You're not the only one. I had the exact same reaction. The good news is, once you make your first project, everything starts making sense. Let me show you the workflow I wish someone showed me on day one. Alright, after logging in, don't worry about every menu on the screen. Seriously, most people waste time clicking everything. Instead, go straight to Create New Project. That's where almost everything begins. Now you'll usually have a few options depending on what you want to make. Pick the one that matches your goal. If you're creating content for clients or your own business, think about the final result first, not the settings. Now comes the important part, the prompt. This is where most beginners mess up. If you type something like, make a marketing video, the AI will probably give you something, okay, but if you tell it exactly what you want, who it's for, what style you want, what the message is, the output gets noticeably better. I actually noticed that pretty quickly. After writing your prompt, hit generate and give it a few seconds. Now don't expect perfection on the first try. Mine definitely wasn't. Instead of starting over, I usually change one or two things in the prompt, generate it again, compare both versions, then keep the better one. That alone saves a surprising amount of time. Once your result looks good, check everything before downloading it. Read through it, make sure the wording sounds natural, and if there's an editing panel, use it. Honestly, the people getting the best results with Viewmax AI aren't using some secret setting. They're just giving the AI better instructions. One thing I recommend, save your best prompts. I started doing that after a couple of projects, and now I don't have to think from scratch every single time. I just tweak a few lines and move on. If you're using Viewmax AI for client work, marketing, social media, or YouTube content, that little habit can save hours every week. Anyway, that's the basic workflow. Open a project, write a detailed prompt, generate, improve it, and only then export it. After you've done it 2 or 3 times, you'll probably realize it's much simpler than it looked when you first logged in. Now I'm curious, which part of Viewmax AI confused you the most when you opened it for the first time? Let me know in the comments, because if enough people mention the same thing, I'll make a deeper tutorial on it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.